And I can't remember exactly what it was, but the guy said, hey, if you have hiccups, just say this. And the woman does, and her hiccups go away. And I was like, whoa, I'll try it. And it was something like, ni, 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 ka, do, do, do. That's what I've been saying.
This guy says you just scream pineapple.
Well, that guy's an idiot. Obviously, he hasn't done the work that these other people have done.
I mean, that's clear, yes.
Research has been needed for this.
I apologize.
I don't think I have it right.
I'm sure you don't.
But it did work.
Man.
It's worked twice for me.
You also can do it if you just keep repeating, not a fish, not a fish, not a fish, not a fish.
Oh, really?
No, I made that up, but you fell for it, so good job.